If you've ever stared at your suitcase wondering why it still won't close, even though you swore you packed light, this is for you. Today we're getting into smart minimalist travel, gear that actually earns its spot in your bag by doing more than one job. We're talking about multi-purpose items that save space without sacrificing function or style. Whether you're flying budget, packing for a weekend in Paris, or backpacking across Southeast Asia, this stuff just works. And no, this isn't just a top 10 list for algorithm points. Each piece we'll cover solves real packing problems in a way that feels obvious once you've used it. Think of this as the kind of advice you'd get from a friend who's made all the mistakes and finally figured out what actually works on the road. Let's get into it. Gear 1. The Merino wool base layer. Let's start strong. Merino wool. If you've used it, you already know. If not, prepare to be converted. A single merino shirt or base layer can handle casual days, sleep, workouts, layering under jackets, even dressier nights if styled right. It's naturally odor-resistant, regulates temperature in both hot and cold climates, and dries quickly. That means you can wear it for days without washing and still not feel gross. One well-cut merino tee can replace 3 to 4 shirts. Same goes for socks and underwear, especially clutch for long-haul travel or if you're hand-washing in the sink. Gear 2. The travel towel. That's not just a towel, this one's sneaky good. A proper travel towel, like a large microfiber one, dries quickly, packs down tiny, and replaces multiple things. Your shower towel, a beach mat, a blanket on cold buses, even a makeshift pillow if you roll it up or stuff it in a hoodie. Some even have snap loops to hang from your bag or turn into a wrap. If you're heading somewhere warm or plan on hosteling, this is non-negotiable. Gear 3. The compression packing cube. You've probably heard of packing cubes, but the real upgrade is compression style. These not only organize your gear, they let you squeeze out the air and seriously flatten your clothes. That can buy you a couple more inches of space in a carry-on, especially for things like sweaters or jeans. You can also dedicate one cube to laundry and keep clean stuff separate without bringing an extra bag. It's not glamorous, but it's one of the most satisfying upgrades for any traveler. Gear 4. The Sarong, or oversized scarf. This is one of those quiet MVPs that you don't realize you need until you have it. A lightweight sarong or pashmina scarf can be a beach towel, picnic blanket, shawl, curtain, headrest, dress cover-up, even a sling for carrying stuff in a pinch. If you're minimalist packing, this is one of the best ways to add comfort and flexibility without taking up more than a sliver of space in your bag. Gear 5. The convertible outfits. Think zip-off pants, reversible dresses, or a long-sleeve button-up that doubles as a light jacket or sun cover. These aren't about fashion gimmicks, they're about functionality. A good pair of convertible pants means you don't have to pack both shorts and trousers. Look for pieces in neutral colors and wrinkle-resistant fabrics, and you'll find yourself building outfits around them every time you travel. Gear 6. The multi-port charging brick or universal adapter. Tech weight adds up fast. Phone charger, camera cable, Kindle cord. Simplify all that with a multi-port USB charger or a universal adapter with built-in USB-C, A, and maybe even a plug for your laptop. One brick that charges everything? Way better than juggling multiple chargers or fighting over outlets in a hostel. If it has surge protection built in, even better. Bonus, it saves you from constantly hunting for adapters when you land in a new country. Gear 7. The foldable daypack or tote. You don't need a full second backpack. Just toss in a compact foldable daypack or fabric tote. It takes up almost no space and gives you a carry option for groceries, day hikes, or shopping runs without relying on plastic bags. Or your main bag, which you probably don't want to unpack mid-trip. Also, great for overflow if you pick up souvenirs or snacks and need something extra for the plane ride home. Gear 8. The hidden pocket travel scarf or belt. Security meets style here. Infinity scarves with hidden zipper pockets or travel belts with secret compartments. These offer you a discreet way to stash cash, passports, or backup cards. They're subtle, comfortable, and way less obvious than a bulky money belt. Perfect for markets, public transport, or anywhere you want to keep things close without looking like you're wearing a security device. Gear 9. The solid toiletry swap. Solid shampoo, conditioner bars, toothpaste tablets. These aren't just eco-trendy, they're space savers. No worrying about TSA liquid limits, no mess if something bursts in your bag, and you can use exactly what you need. They last longer than travel-sized bottles too. And if you're tight on room, slice a shampoo bar in half before the trip. Gear 10. The multi-use jacket or outer layer. Your jacket shouldn't just be for weather. A good travel jacket is a pillow on the plane, a blanket in a pinch, and often the bulkiest thing you don't have to pack because you're wearing it. Look for something lightweight but warm, down or synthetic, with a packable design and hidden pockets if possible. Some even come with built-in neck pillows or eye masks. Wear it on the plane, roll it up for extra padding, and let it work overtime beyond just staying warm. Minimalist packing isn't about deprivation, it's about getting more from less. Each of these 10 pieces solves multiple problems at once. That means more flexibility, less baggage stress, and way more room for the stuff that actually matters, whether that's a new book, a local snack stash, or a spontaneous souvenir. You don't need to overhaul your packing overnight. Start with one or two of these, maybe it's the compression cube or the Merino shirt, and see how it changes the way you travel. Chances are, you'll never go back to overpacking again. If this helped, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one of these you already use, or which you're trying on your next trip. Safe travels.